Hey, welcome to another episode of Explore Montana. Today we are in Billings, Montana. We're going to be heading to Red Lodge. Red Lodge is kind of a town at the base of the Beartooth Mountains. Beartooth Mountains are a beautiful, wonderful place to get away and go explore. Right now we are in the Treasure State. There is so much treasure to behold here in Montana. I love it. I'm excited for you to join me. We're going to try to go to the West Fork Trailhead. There could be a little bit more snow than what we bargained for. It is still pretty early in the year, but we're going to give it a shot, show you the beauty of the Beartooth Mountains. It is a wonderful place to be. I'm just so excited that you can join me today, and let's get going. We didn't quite make it to the West Fork Trailhead. We're about 6 miles away. The gate is closed. And as you can see, there's a lot of snow. Super beautiful outside. I just love the Beartooth Mountains. A lot of these, it just feels like home in a lot of ways. It's really peaceful here. And I'm really excited to get out and do a little bit of hiking, a little bit of adventuring, and we're gonna continue hiking down the road to see where we get. Probably don't have enough time today to make it all the way to the trailhead, the West Fork Trailhead, but we will make it a little bit ways back there. I'm excited to show you just a slight glimpse of the Beartooth Mountains. It's a beautiful location right outside of Red Lodge. West Fork Trailhead. Here we go. I think it's really great when people pick up their dog poop along the trails. Makes it really nice for everyone else, especially because people hike a lot. But if you do pick up your dog poop, make sure that you also take your bag with you. Not very good. Okay, just came across Wild Bill Lake. Next time we come back up into this area when the snow melts, we're gonna check out Wild Bill Lake. Right now, I'm sure it's frozen over and there's just a solid patch of snow right now. So we're not gonna go up there right now, but when it melts, it's actually a pretty cool lake, and I'm excited to get up there and show you guys, maybe fly the drone around a little bit and see everything that Wild Bill Lake has to offer there. It's a nice little getaway right outside of Red Lodge. So if you're looking for a picnic or a place to just kind of retreat and get away to, Wild Bill Lake is a great location. It's not very intensive hike back up in there. It's actually just a short little walk, and it's a beautiful area. And even though there's some people in there during the summertime, it doesn't get too packed. Right now, we're not gonna go up there. The snow's a little deep, and there would be really nothing to see because it'd just all be frozen over. Thank you for joining in. I'm going to be doing a treasure hunt here in beautiful Montana. Montana is the treasure state, so the treasure state deserves a treasure hunt. So once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a treasure hunt, so be sure to subscribe. I'll keep you updated on this treasure hunt. Thanks for joining me. As always, explore Montana.